In today's fast-paced world, the idea of generating passive income has become more appealing than ever. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy. This is where the concept of faceless YouTube automation comes into play, offering a unique opportunity to create a stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. Passive income is crucial for achieving financial freedom, as it allows you to build wealth and secure your future without constantly trading time for money. By setting up automated systems like YouTube channels that generate income on autopilot, you can free up your time to focus on other passions, spend time with loved ones, or pursue new opportunities. Using YouTube automation for income generation comes with a myriad of benefits. Not only does it provide a platform to reach a global audience and monetize your content, but it also offers scalability and the potential for exponential growth. With the right strategies in place, you can create a sustainable source of passive income that continues to generate revenue over time. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and explore the possibilities of passive income through YouTube automation, stay tuned for the rest of this video as we dive deeper into this exciting opportunity. Understanding passive income. Passive income is a game changer in the world of finance, offering a way to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade time for money through traditional employment, passive income allows you to generate revenue consistently, even when you're not actively working. This distinction is key in creating a sustainable revenue stream. Examples of passive income streams include affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting products or services, and online courses, where you create valuable content once and continue to earn from it over time. These passive income avenues leverage your skills, expertise, and resources to generate income passively, giving you the freedom to focus on other aspects of your life. The long-term benefits of passive income are immense. By diversifying your income streams and creating sources of revenue that continue to generate income without constant effort, you can build a solid financial foundation for the future. Passive income provides a sense of security, financial freedom, and the potential for wealth accumulation, making it a powerful tool for achieving long-term financial stability and success. Exploring YouTube automation. YouTube automation is a revolutionary approach to content creation that leverages tools and technology to streamline the process of video production and distribution. By utilizing platforms like TubeBuddy and VidIQ, creators can automate tasks such as video optimization, keyword research, and analytics tracking, allowing them to focus on creating high-quality content while maximizing their reach and engagement. Keyword research and SEO optimization play a crucial role in the success of automated YouTube videos. By identifying relevant keywords and optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags, creators can improve their videos' visibility in search results and attract a larger audience. This strategic approach not only increases the chances of organic discovery, but also enhances the overall performance and monetization potential of automated videos. One of the key advantages of YouTube automation is its scalability. By creating a library of automated videos that target specific niches or topics, creators can reach a wider audience and generate passive income from multiple sources. This scalability allows for exponential growth and revenue generation, making YouTube automation a powerful tool for content creators looking to expand their reach and maximize their earning potential on the platform. Creating faceless content. When it comes to YouTube automation and maintaining anonymity, creating faceless content offers a range of benefits, including privacy and flexibility. By opting for faceless videos, creators can protect their identity while still delivering valuable content to their audience. This approach allows for a focus on the message rather than the messenger, giving creators the freedom to explore diverse topics without revealing their personal identity. To create engaging, faceless content, consider incorporating voiceovers or animations to convey your message effectively. Voiceovers can add a personal touch to your videos, while animations can visually enhance the content and keep viewers engaged. Experiment with different styles and techniques to find what resonates best with your audience and aligns with your content goals. Consistent branding and messaging are essential elements of successful faceless content. By establishing a cohesive brand identity and maintaining a consistent tone and style across your videos, you can build trust with your audience and create a recognizable presence on the platform. Ensure that your branding elements, such as logos, colors, and graphics, are integrated seamlessly into your videos to reinforce your brand identity and enhance viewer engagement. Monetizing faceless YouTube channels. Monetizing a faceless YouTube channel can be a lucrative endeavor, offering various opportunities to generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Understanding the strategies and tactics for monetization is key to maximizing revenue potential and building a sustainable income stream on the platform. To monetize a YouTube channel, creators must first meet the platform's eligibility requirements, which typically include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once eligible, creators can enable monetization features such as ads, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf to start earning revenue from their content. Attracting sponsors for a faceless channel involves showcasing the value of your content and audience demographics, as well as demonstrating engagement and reach. Negotiating deals with sponsors requires clear communication, professionalism, and a solid understanding of your worth as a creator. Collaborating with brands that align with your content and values can lead to mutually beneficial partnerships and long-term sponsorships. Affiliate marketing is another powerful monetization strategy for faceless YouTube channels, allowing creators to earn commissions by promoting products or services in their videos. By strategically integrating affiliate links and leveraging your influence to drive conversions, you can generate passive income and diversify your revenue streams on YouTube. Automation tools and resources. Managing a faceless YouTube channel effectively requires the use of automation tools and resources to streamline content creation, optimize performance, and track audience engagement. By leveraging the right tools, creators can enhance their workflow, improve video quality, and make data-driven decisions to grow their channel successfully. Tools like Canva are invaluable for creating eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers and increase click-through rates. Canva offers a user-friendly platform with customizable templates and design elements, making it easy to create professional-looking thumbnails that stand out on YouTube's crowded platform. Additionally, video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can help creators produce high-quality videos with seamless transitions, graphics, and effects. Analytics tools play a crucial role in monitoring channel performance and understanding audience behavior. Platforms like YouTube Analytics provide valuable insights into key metrics such as watch time, audience demographics, and engagement rates, allowing creators to optimize their content strategy and make informed decisions to drive growth. For those looking to delve deeper into YouTube automation and passive income strategies, reputable online resources such as TubeBuddy's blog, Creator Insider's YouTube channel, and courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare offer valuable insights, tips, and tutorials to help creators navigate the world of YouTube automation effectively. In conclusion, the concept of generating passive income through faceless YouTube automation offers a wealth of opportunities for creators looking to build a sustainable revenue stream and achieve financial freedom. By leveraging automation tools, creating engaging content, and implementing monetization strategies, creators can unlock the potential of YouTube as a platform for passive income generation. Throughout this video, we discussed the benefits of passive income, the importance of YouTube automation, and strategies for monetizing faceless channels effectively. From creating engaging content to attracting sponsors and leveraging affiliate marketing, there are numerous ways to monetize your channel and maximize your earning potential on YouTube. We encourage you to take action and start implementing the strategies and tips shared in this video to kickstart your journey towards financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from this valuable information. Stay tuned for more content on YouTube automation, passive income, and digital entrepreneurship. For further learning, we recommend exploring related videos on our channel or visiting our website for additional resources and insights on maximizing your success in the world of YouTube automation and passive income. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you thrive in your online endeavors.